Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn off hotspot automatically when it's no longer used on your Android phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to tap on the connection setting. And on this connection setting, you have to select the mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, and then you're going to tap on the mobile hotspot setting and click on the configure. Okay, and click on the advanced option. Right, and you can scroll down until you find the turn off when no device connected for, and you just need to tap on this option. Then you can select the duration you would like to set for your hotspot to be turned off automatically, and I'm gonna go with 20 minutes. Okay, and after that we just need to click on save to save the setting. Okay, and right after you activate the setting, your mobile hotspot will be turned off automatically when it's no longer used on your Android device. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off hotspot automatically. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.